Hi, today I'm going to make this envelope with quilling. Very easy to make and very pretty. Materials I'm using are quilling strips, studs in different colors, an envelope, quilling tool, and this is a lace, made of beads. First I'll take the green strip. And cut 4 pieces out of it. Take one, just quill it. And then leave it loose, and you can just pull this part to get a design like this. Now I'll take the blue strip and fold it in half and cut it in 2 pieces. And just take whatever size you want to take. So I've taken this. Stick it. And press it to get a teardrop shape, like this. Now take this lace, the pearl lace, and I'm just going to cut out 2 of the strip. Like this, and now I'm going to stick them on this envelope. Like this. So now I'll just stick these. First I'll take the green . Stick it like this, and take the blue petals. So I'm just going to stick them. Like this. So this way I'm going to stick them all, and the blue and yellow will be alternate. So this is how it's going to look after I've finished it. Now I'm just going to stick these studs on it. So just apply some glue on the blue ones. take a stud and just stick it. Like so. So I'll stick on all the blue, and the peach I'm going to stick on the yellow ones. And this is how it's going to look after it's finished with all the studs, the green, the white and the peach color.